In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my quick and easy makeup routine. I've done my makeup differently over the years, but this is what I'm currently doing and I love it because it requires minimal products. Like minimal products, less time. So if you want to see how I went from looking like this to this, please do also keep watching. Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're seeing my face for the first time, welcome. My name is Mercy. I film about faith, beauty, lifestyle, and everything in between. Please do want to check out my other videos, and if you like what you see here, please do want to like, comment, share, subscribe, and most importantly, please turn on your post notification by clicking on that bell icon so that you get notified as soon as I post a new video. Okay? Thank you. And without further ado, let's get right into the video, shall we? So the first thing you want to do is to make sure you have a clean and moisturized face. My face is clean and well moisturized. And the next thing I'm going to do is apply primer. So I have this MAC Prep and Prime primer. I'm going to use this to prime my face. I know you guys can see that I have active breakouts, but I am not stressing about that. Said you felt that way. If you're going to be using your fingers, please make sure to have clean fingers, okay? Because you'll be touching your face. But I've known you too long, it hurts to dab, dab, dab. To cry. Little goes a long way, but use as needed. I'm gonna get more. As you fade away. So once I'm done applying my primer, I go in with my MAC Fix Plus. So you want to shake that, and then I spray. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so This is just to set your face. Once that is fully absorbed, the next thing I do is do my brows. Well, I don't really do my brows because you guys can see that I have full and thick brows. Well, it used to be fuller than this, but the process of me threading my brows has kind of made it thinner. And you guys can also see that I have a bald spot here. And that's why I'm kind of taking a break from threading. So the last time I went to them, which was a few days ago, I just told them to clean it up. And she was like, you want to grow them out? I was like, yes, I want to grow them out. I want to grow out my bald spot. So I told them not to touch it, just to clean it. I said, I'm talking too much and I don't want this video to be too long. So the next thing I do is brush my brows, and I just do this. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake. And then shape it. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch. That's all I do. Once that is done, and I'm gonna go in with my concealer to clean my brows up a little. I'm just gonna put some here for easy access. I'm gonna use this concealer brush, take a little, and then clean out my brows a little just to shape it up a little bit more. So this is what I do. Let me tell you, in case you're wondering, no, I'm not a professional makeup artist, okay? I'm just doing the best I can. That's it. Don't judge me. Because some people like, see how she's holding the brush. I'm not a professional makeup artist. Please don't judge me. So let's continue. Let's forge ahead. This is what I do with the brush. I clean out my brows a little just to give it that distinct and defined look. So I just go like so, maintaining my shape, the shape of my natural brows. And then clean out whatever I need to clean out as well. And tell me what's wrong and what. It might seem like it's taking so long because I'm filming and talking at the same time. It takes me like less time. Before I know it, I'm done. Sometimes I do the top with concealer. Sometimes I do it with my foundation. I think I'm gonna go in with my foundation today. I'm gonna go in with my foundation to clean out the top part. I'm just gonna go like so. This foundation is not my shade though. The stress I've gone through trying to find out my correct shade, I've not still found it though. from MAC, and I want MAC product. Can you guys even see anything? Can you guys see any difference? If you feel like your concealer is too bright, you can use your foundation to clean out the top part. But if you feel like you're comfortable with using your concealer and it's not too bright, or even if it's too bright, you're comfortable with it and you can manage it, then use your concealer. I went in with my foundation, but I don't think I like it. So I went in with my concealer just to clean out the top part, which I already did. I like it better. So I'm going to do the same thing here. Sick of being the monster out of my... You guys can see the difference, right? You guys can see it. Yeah. That's what I'm doing. Just in case you guys can see, that is what I'm doing. And that's it for the brows. Can you guys see it? So the next thing I do, take my leftover concealer. So I take my leftover concealer and I dab that.
I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cat.
And that's just my concealer. Can you guys see the difference? That is just my concealer. Take this, my beauty blender, just spray a little bit of MAC Fix Plus.
Voodoo got me coming back.
And then I dab. You dab.
Pierce my heart straight through. I got issues.
The next thing I do is I go in with my concealer. So the secret to this routine is the fact that I don't use foundation. And that's why I say less product. I'm just gonna put a little bit here. Little goes a long way with this concealer. Little goes a long way. Yep, that's it. Go in with this again. I'm just gonna blend out the concealer.
So if I play dead, will you regret everything?
Can you guys see the difference? Can you see the difference? Yeah, you just blend by dabbing. You dab, and then you blend out. You dab and you blend out. You dab out, if that makes sense. So dab and bring it out like so. So once that is fully blended, what I do is I take the residue on the beauty blender, yeah, and I just go like so.
With you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless. I feel diluted, my heart.
If you feel like you need to add more concealer, then, because sometimes this is what I do,
really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm.
I take the same beauty blender and I blend.
Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna say.
So because I'm wearing turtleneck, I'm not gonna bother about bringing my makeup products down to my neck. And I'm not going anywhere today. Also, one thing I didn't mention is if I were to be going out, I would apply my sunscreen before my concealer. I hope you guys get it. You blend out your concealer, and to me right now, I feel like it's fully blended. So the next thing I do is I set my concealer with this MAC setting powder. Just go in like so. I press it in. I'm gonna get more product and I'm just gonna do that to all my highlighted areas. All the places that I put my highlights, like the T-zone, here, my chin, and then I put it on my lid as well.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago.
So once I'm done applying the MAC setting powder, I go in with my bronzer, and it's from the Beauty Crop. Here it is. I'm just gonna use this to contour my face.
A year ago, I've changed for the better this time.
I'm gonna use the same bronzer to contour the bridge of my nose. So I'm just gonna take a little.
I strive just to say I'm alright. And for the first time in a long time, I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain.
I just went in again with my setting powder just to clean it up a little. I don't really do much with contouring, to be honest. The next thing I do after contouring is apply my blush. Using this Pixie by Petra Fresh Face Blush in Peach Parfait, and I'll be using this for the first time actually. You guys can see that. After applying my blush, I'm gonna go in with my MAC Studio Fix powder, and I already have some product on here. So I'm just gonna use this to sweep off excess products.
All my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high.
The next thing I do is apply my highlighter, and this is from Tetris Life. This is what it looks like.
Be back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things and
once I'm done with my highlight, I seal it all up using my MAC Fix Plus.
but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where.
So now I'm gonna go in with my mascara. I have the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. Done. You guys, I don't wear lashes like that, okay? I don't wear lashes, period. Unless I have an event, and that's even rarely. Last and final thing I'm going to do is apply my lipstick. Sometimes I don't even apply lipstick. I just apply my lip gloss and I'm good to go. Sometimes when I'm in the mood, I apply lipstick. I'm contemplating whether to go red or go nude. I have my MAC Ruby Woo lipstick in red, and I have my MAC Sweet Deal matte lipstick in nude color. Well, I think I'm gonna go red. One thing I like about red lipstick is that even if you don't do much with your makeup, it makes your makeup pop out. Like, brings all your makeup together, if you get what I mean. So I'm gonna go red. Hopefully it goes well. I have this MAC lip liner in cherry.
Oh gee, my bro, I'm sorry. It's not money, don't call me. It's been a long way coming. It no go make sense if you don't know the journey. I do, I promise, mommy. Bad man got no worries.
You guys
Just
see what
like
I mean?
yesterday, mama tell me say make a wise up. Anytime I fall.
And that is that. So guys, that is all I do to achieve my quick and easy makeup look. Like I said, this video is going to seem long because I am recording and I am talking to you guys. On a normal day, if I were to do this, it doesn't take me as much time as you guys can see right now. As you guys can see, I am not wearing foundation, I am not wearing eyeshadow, I'm not wearing eyeliner, none of those, and I still love the outcome. What do you guys think about it? Please let me know down below in the comment section. You'll be trying this method of makeup, or have you ever done your makeup without wearing a foundation? Please let me know in the comment section. Okay, we've come to the end of this video. Thank you all so much for watching. If you watched up until this point and you're not yet subscribed, please do all to subscribe, like, comment and share, okay? And please don't forget to turn on your post notifications so that you get notified as soon as I post a new video, and you do that by clicking on that bell icon, okay? Thank you. And as always, guys, please don't forget to stay safe, stay prayed up, stay healthy. God bless you. And I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.
I no go stop, I no go settle. My light is never gonna die. Don't I go fire any devil. My life is forever gonna shine. Before them don't know me from my area. Now I'll be here to the guys. Cause I came back on my son, conquer. My light is forever gonna shine.